is declaring war on rodents. Today, they're launching a campaign called De-Ratification Week. And the public awareness campaign is aimed at giving residents better information about rodent control, steps they can take to reduce the city's rat population. And of course, this includes proper trash storage, reducing food sources, maintaining properties, and reporting issues early.
Rats are a reality in urban environments. They are highly adaptable, and through no fault of their own, they thrive in conditions that we sometimes create. So something as simple as a flipped over trash can laid in the yard may act as collecting water, may act as a water source, or if dog waste isn't picked up properly, as unpleasant as it sounds, that too becomes a food source. That's why this information is important. That's why this effort matters.
City officials, including Somerville's rat czar, also gave a demonstration today of their latest rat control technology. It's a carbon monoxide sprayer that's designed to destroy rat burrows.